Gabi and S. Villalobos, to our energetic barangay captain, Honorable Tomas B. Sim Jr., council and staff, parents, friends, visitors, crew graduates, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. Today is the 30th recognition day of Pumawa Sticker Center with the theme Komunidad at Pamahalaan, magkaisa pang-aabuso sa bata wakasana. It's my great honor to welcome you in this recognition day. It is not the end of our struggle, but it is the first ladder to formal education. I thank God for His goodness to me. At this moment, I stand in front of you saying thank you for being part of my journey. Throughout the year, I made the stepping stone successfully and finished the first step of education. I will never forget what I achieved. Instead, I honor God for the earthly award I have today with us work and dignity and respect. The group for the failures always remember it is just a test in how we manage in life peacefully and just. To my classmates, the memories we have been our faith. To my teacher, Telma, thank you so much for valuable time teaching us and give your patience to the children. To my parents, thank you so much for sending me here in the daycare center. I will never forget your advices to be always a good girl. Once again, welcome and have a blessed recognition day. To God be the glory.